And here is the all-purpose first aid kit made by Johnson & Johnson. We've got 160 pieces in here. You can see some of the products that are inside to help with any type of first aid you may be dealing with. We've got the back sticker here, which kind of gives a guide on what is in here. You top with the main tray, you've got your tapes and your band-aids. Also comes with the a fundamental guide as well. But look how this is organized. You've got all of your band-aids right here, most commonly thing used out of a first aid kit. Got a ton of those in there, as well as some Neosporin to put on any scratches. You got Benadryl right here, a few more things right there. We got some tape inside of here, Tylenol. You can go through the whole list of what is in here, as well as sanitizing wipes and pads, hand cleansing wipes. Everything that you will need to attend to any type of minor cuts and scrapes. So let's take off this first tray and go underneath, and then you can see some roll of gauze. We've got a cold compress right here. We've also got a scissors in here to remove any clothing or anything quickly. Some more band-aids, bigger, thicker band-aids you can see right there, as well as some non-stick compression pads too. So this is a great first aid kit to have in your home, because there's always going to be bumps and bruises here and there, and you will have the necessary supplies to be ready when that happens. So a great first aid kit, all-purpose first aid kit. Can highly recommend. Definitely go grab one of these.